This was cool. I like it. I like it a lot. Hey girlies, what's up and welcome back. So I gathered all of the colors needed to make a shade of foundation. So for the main color I got white because it's close enough. I'm very pale. Peach and yellow for undertones, and I got like this really dark brown color that's not even close to my skin tone, but it'll make it darker when and if we need it, because I'm real pale right now. So let's see if a foundation that I create will be the correct color for me. So I'm gonna switch this big camera over to see like what I mix, and I'm gonna have my phone out to see like my face. Because I don't have two cameras. Okay, so it's way worse quality now, I know, and here is everything that I'm going to be using. So the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation, and then the Pro Conceal from LA Girl as well. This is gonna be interesting. Definitely gonna need the most of white, that I know for sure. I'm not sure, and I'm gonna need the least of this, probably more this than this, because I have a more yellow complexion. Let's start out with like 3 pumps. I'm sorry, I'm blocking the camera. 1, 2, 3. So I put 3 there. I'm gonna need the littlest of this. So we're gonna put like, see, I've never used this before. All clean. Ooh. Oh God. Oh, that's too much. That was too much. Much too little. See, that looks like a skin tone. And then I probably need like that much of that. Okay. And now let's blend them all together. Oh God. This isn't looking too great. I added way too much of the brown. So right now we're gonna like swatch them on my hand to see like which one. This is the first one. Wait, that's actually not terrible. See, that's only terrible. It needs more white. I put a whole new pump in of white. I should have got the undertone right first, and then I should have added the brown. And let's see if, okay, here's the first swatch. Okay, so yeah, that's definitely lighter. See? Here is what those look like on a better camera. I feel like it needs a bit more yellow and more white. Yellow? Cool. Okay, so that's a lot more yellow, not a bit. But we're gonna try to go with that. I'm gonna like swatch it on a new part. Okay, yeah, that's too... I feel like we got the undertone right, but I'm not sure about, like, it still needs to be lighter because I'm so pale. I don't understand how people can like be pale all the time. Oh, I think I added in 2 pumps. And I only wanted 1. Okay. I think we might have gotten it right. That's the new color. I think we've got it, guys. Yeah. See, like, it blends in, I think. Okay. We're gonna switch this camera back into its, like, original state. And we'll see how it is on her face, and everything's gonna be happy. I just created my own LA Girl custom foundation. We gotta put on the face and test if I really did correctly have this. It looks a little light, but oxidizing, right? I've been using the Marc Jacobs Remarkable foundation, and like I've gotten used to using so little for like a full face that this is weird. Yeah. It looks a bit light on the camera, but in real life, it's fine. Like, I would use this because, especially if you're using bronzer and stuff, you want it to be a bit lighter because then that just warms it up. At least that's what I usually do. LA Girl should like actually come out with like their own thing that you can make your own, because like honestly, I'd buy it. Like, they already have all the things curated for it. Okay, so I think we're looking pretty good. Should I like try to use this yellow one just for like my face, because I don't have a concealer for this? I mean, I do, but like not this, and I feel like we should just stick with LA Girl, right? Sure. Honestly, that's not that bad. I think that like I'd say it's a bit yellow, but like that makes sense. I guess we'll use this dark color to contour. Ooh, I don't usually use this dark of a contour ever, so it's a bit like intimidating. Oh. I'm gonna blend this out with like, I'm gonna use the e.l.f. blending brush to blend this. Oh my god. What did I do? I used too much. That's what I did. I'm gonna like get back to you once this is all resolved. So I finished the rest of my makeup as well as figured out that contouring thing because whoa. So my final thoughts is I actually have never used like the foundation form of this, which technically it still isn't a foundation form. But I mean it kind of is, because that was literally my color. Don't look on that side. Color. Like, I am matched. I love this foundation, which I just found out now. But, if you, like, have tried out this foundation and been like, oh, I love it so much, but, like, I just don't have my shade. Girl. Do it. These are about $5 each, so that's $15. This is, like, $8. $23. I mean, you probably won't use all of these. I think everyone should try this. It's pretty amazing. Because I'm turning paler and paler by the second, so. But I'm glad I actually did this. I was gonna just do this as like a video. I might like buy another one of these and like maybe more of these and like make my own. Because I like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. And if you liked it, please click the thumbs up button down below, and that really just helps me rise to the top and dominate the world. But I'm serious. I hope I see you on Friday for whatever video I'm making, and I'll see you next Monday with another Makeup Monday. That's a tongue twister, is it not? I love you guys so much, and bye!
So give some credit where it's due. Give props to you know who. I gave him swag, I made him cool.